people who lost their lives because they were run over by a young person who was a minor. Well, the news which is now coming in is that the two pubs which served alcohol to the minor in defiance of the policies have now been sealed down. Remember, there is a code which is in place which actually is flaunted by every pub that below the age of 18, any minor is not going to be served alcohol. Let me go across to my colleague Yesha, who's getting us all these details. Yesha, despite the fact that there are rules in place, when you give a license, you're not supposed to serve alcohol to minors. Clearly, these two pubs have violated that policy. First, one, what it led up to was the CCTV footage, and second, of course, has a larger directive now been reissued and a reminder sent to all the pubs?
So yes, in fact, particularly in Pune, now when you speak of this pub, the pub Cozy, which is one of the places which was serving alcohol, now they've been shut. The excise department has issued notice and asked them to shut just because they were serving alcohol to those below the age of 18. Now, not only that, but in today's hearing, particularly before the magistrate court, where three bar owners and managers who were responsible for this instance, they were produced before the court because they were arrested by Pune police. The court also came down heavily on these bar owners. In fact, they said that the responsibility of ensuring that those who are drunk lies also on the bar owners, because someone who comes into a bar, takes a drink, will not go walking back home. So a statement something like on the lines that if they really cannot look into whom they are serving alcohol to, then they should have provisions to ensure that those who are going back home, including in their vehicle, or they should be provided with facility to be staying in the bar. They cannot be on the streets having alcohol and driving vehicles. This was a kind of statement, a strong statement that came out from the magistrate court as well towards the bar owners, because they said that it was not their responsibility for what happened on the streets. Particularly now, 2 days after the incident that took place at Kalyani Nagar in Pune early on Sunday morning, 2 days after that, we are seeing a strong statement being put out not only by excise department but also by the court. And this comes in only after 2 lives have been lost because of a drunk drive instance wherein a minor was involved. In this case as well, we've seen that the Pune police has also approached the court, stating that yes,
Okay, thank you. Yesha, do hold on. Let's go across to the live press conference by the Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who is in fact speaking on this issue.
गंभीर घटना घडली. त्या घटनेच्या संदर्भात आपल्याला कल्पना आहे की एका अगदी संघर्षित मुलाने गाडी चालवत असताना त्या ठिकाणी ॲक्सिडेंट केला आणि 2 लोकांचा, एक तरुण आणि एक तरुणी यांचा त्याच्यामध्ये मृत्यू झाला. आणि त्यानंतर घडलेल्या ज्या घटना आहेत या संदर्भात लोकांमध्ये देखील एक संताप आणि नाराजी ही आपल्याला पाहायला मिळाली.
There have been several people
या संदर्भात
who have been unhappy with the incidents that took place. There's been a discontent among people.
घेतली. आतापर्यंत काय घडलेलं आहे, पुढची ऍक्शन काय?
I have met the commissioner of police.
त्यासोबत अशा घटना घटू नये म्हणून प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह काय करता येईल,
asked him
अशा सर्वच बाबतीत चर्चा
about
झाली.
what is the action that's taken and what can be the preventive measures that can be taken by us.
पोलिसांनी कारवाई करत जो काही ऍप्लिकेशन रिमांडचा ज्युव्हेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्डकडे सबमिट केला होता, एकतर त्याच्यामध्ये आयपीसीचा कलम
clearly 304 under IPC section, that's the culpable homicide section that has been mentioned in the FIR.
आणि स्पष्टपणे हे दिलेलं आहे की हा जो काही
clearly mentioned that
मुलगा आहे हा 17 वर्ष 8 महिन्याचा असल्यामुळे निर्भया कांडानंतर
the accused in this case is 17 years 8 months old.
आणि 16 वर्षाच्या वरचे जी मुलं असतील त्यांना हिनियस क्राईम मध्ये
there was an
ॲडल्ट म्हणून
amendment that was
ट्रीट
made
केलं जाऊ शकतं. या संदर्भात
wherein those above the
ही
age
रिमांड
of
ऍप्लिकेशन
16
देखील माझ्याकडे आहे.
can be tried under
अतिशय
heinous crime.
स्पष्टपणे हा मुद्दा मांडलेला आहे आणि याला ॲडल्ट ट्रीट करा आणि
I
हा
have an
304
application
A नाही तर हा
regarding
304च आहे. अशा प्रकारे पोलिसांनी त्या ठिकाणी
It is not 302,
प्रेस केलं होतं.
3042, but 304 particularly.
दुर्दैवाने ज्युव्हेनाईल जस्टिस बोर्डने त्याच्यामध्ये वेगळी भूमिका
Sadly, the
घेतली
Juvenile Justice Board
आणि
took a different stance on
ॲडल्ट
it,
ट्रीट करण्याचा जो अर्ज आहे तो नुसता सीन अँड फाईन
and to treat him as
अशा
an
प्रकारे
adult
बाजूला ठेवला आणि
was kept
रिमांडच्या
aside,
अर्जावर
set aside,
त्यांनी
and on the basis of the remand,
मला असं वाटतं की अतिशय लिनियंट अशा प्रकारचा व्ह्यू घेत
they've taken an extremely lenient stance.
15 दिवस सोशल सर्व्हिस करा आणि त्यांनी डी ॲडिक्शन करा
Social service,
अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी त्यामध्ये लिहिल्या.
de-addiction, these are the
खरं म्हणजे
clauses
हा
that have been mentioned by them.
पोलिसांकरता देखील एक धक्का होता, कारण अशा प्रकारच्या प्रकरणांमध्ये जिथे